Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, and before we proceed I wanted to draw attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to share with you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So the grid lines should disappear, and I know that you cannot really see them now. I hope that now they are more visible. Here we've got them. To reset camera preferences, we need to open the settings. So just swipe your finger from the top to the center and go to the settings. Right here, we need to tap on General and scroll all the way down to find Other Settings. Then tap on Restore Default Settings and tap on OK to confirm. So the settings flashed a little bit, so now we can go back to the camera and check, and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.